Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at PEPE coin. And why are we doing that? We're going to do that because PEPE coin have done well in the past. And where is it today? And we're also going to look at how much your 100 or 200 USDT will become if PEPE coin have chosen to repeat history. Because at its current level now it has gone very low, of which in the nearest future or in the nearest few months it should be ready to repeat history. So let's quickly look at it. But before I dive into this fully, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, this is PEPE. This is PEPE current price. We're going to go into compare it current price plus how it has been doing or plus how it was in the past. So if you do have any question regarding this, drop it at the comment section, don't forget. And also don't forget my membership is on. You can just dive into it. Acquire it is very cheap because there's going to be a lot of videos only for my members, for my communities. Okay, so I will go to more. I will go to more to look for it 1 month ago. You can see. You can see it 1 month. When was it? And when was it launched? This coin was launched far back last 2 years. It was launched in May 1st. And it opened at a very many zero of 150, which was here. It opens here. Its highest was here. Its lows was this, and it closed at this on that very day. And since then, it has been taking a serious move, which it has taken up towards 0.402836. So what would your 200 turn to now? If this particular PEPE coin have chosen to repeat history, let's look at it. So buying it at the current price with a capital worth of 200 USDT, how much would you gain? Okay, look at exactly here. This is what you're going to gain. What you're going to gain is here a lot of figures. A lot of figures, not in USDT but in PEPE. But it's equivalent of 200 USDT, which is this. Okay, it's going to cost you to give you an equivalent of PEPE coin of 24,390,243. You can see this. You're getting this an equivalent of 200 USDT at the what? At a current market price. This is the current market price. You can see here. This is the current market price. Okay, so if you have this figure with your 200 USDT only, and PEPE coin choosing to choosing to repeat history, how much will you gain? And don't forget, what was the history? The history was 0.00, that is 4 zeros, 2836. Let's look at that. This is what I'm talking about. 0. What? 0.0002836. Okay. So let's look at how much we will make if this very particular coin repeat history. Okay, so if actually you do have an idle money, I advise you to invest in this. Invest in Pepcoin because it will definitely multiply your capital to 100 or even more than that. So all you just need to do now is to make your own field research yourself and do not invest more than you can afford to lose, because crypto markets is full of flexibility. Okay, so let me see. If it repeats history 2836, how much will this 200 USDT turn to? A very good one. Okay, it will multiply this your capital over times 3. It will multiply your what? Your capital over times 3. Okay, you can see it here. What you will gain is 691.7072944948. You can see that. It is a very cool and a very rational profit. So what are you waiting for? All you can do now is to dive into it after making your reasonable research and make a lot for yourself. Okay, you can see this coin is a very good coin with a powerful network. All right, with a powerful network. You can see the network here, which is the what? ETH. It's a powerful network. The second most strong cryptocurrency coin in the crypto space. So this PEPE coin is a baby of ETH. So there's nothing to worry about. Okay. So this brings me to the end of this very video. You can see how much you can make with your 200 USDT if you lucky and PEPE coin repeat history. It will definitely repeat history by July. Because May is its anniversary. Alright. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I'll see you in my next class. Drop your question at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.